How to exercise without working out. Today we will see 15 ways to have a fit body without exercising. 1. Video games. You can fence, box, dance, and play virtual tennis, basketball, and other sports. In one study, people who walked, ran, and climbed on a special mat during a fantasy role-playing game did more exercise than if they'd spent the same amount of time on a treadmill. As a bonus, if you play active games, you're more likely to do more non-gaming exercise. 2. Chores. Want to get two things done at once? You'll get a moderate workout if you wash and wax your car, clean out the gutters, or mop or vacuum the floors. Very practical, right? If you like this video, stay until the end and share it with your friends. It will help you get in better shape, and a clean car or house can also boost your mental well-being. 3. Gardening. You might not think of it as exercise, but if you dig, bend, and clip around your garden for 30 minutes or so, you'll get a decent workout. And it may even put you in a better mood. If you don't have a plot of your own, consider volunteering at a community garden. They can probably use the help. 4. Sex. You'll burn around 5 calories a minute, about as many as with a brisk walk. And you'll use about the same amount of oxygen as if you were raking leaves. Plus, research shows that it may help prevent heart disease, though that only seems to be true if you're in a healthy relationship. 5. Geocaching. If you like to take walks with a purpose, look online for secret, geocache spots in cities, parks, or along hiking trails. You follow clues, usually GPS coordinates, to track them down. You could find a prize in the cache or sign your name in a journal that proves you were there. 6. Dancing. It can be social, and it's lots of fun, even if you do it by yourself. It can tone your muscles and strengthen your heart and lungs. It also might lift your spirits. All you need is a bit of music to get your groove going. 7. Take that meeting on the go. When you need to talk with a coworker, hit the trail or sidewalk, and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You'll get some exercise, and it might also make your meeting more creative. Just keep it to no more than 2 or 3 people. More than that can make it hard to really engage. 8. Join a team. Whatever your interest or skill level, there's probably a sports league in your area that will work for you. You'll be less likely to skip out because your teammates will count on you for practice sessions and games. And the heat of competition could make you forget you're getting a workout. 9. Outdoor sports. If you like to be outside but don't want to commit to a league, head to the park and join a pickup game of whatever's going on: soccer, ultimate frisbee, touch football. Even playing catch will get you moving around. 10. Indoor sports. Don't want to deal with hot or cold weather? Indoor games can get your competitive juices flowing, like basketball, racquetball, or volleyball. You can do many outdoor sports, such as swimming, soccer, and tennis, indoors. 11. Interval training. Just 3 20-second, sprint, intervals running or cycling for example, seem to offer about the same benefit as a 50-minute jog. Even with the warm-up, cool down, and rest between intervals, that's just 10 minutes of your time, compared with almost an hour for a run. Ask your doctor if you haven't exercised in a while, and start slow. Do you know that? If this video is useful for you, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next videos. 13. Walking. This doesn't have to be a purposeful stroll. Park at the back of the lot when you go to the store. Walk over to your coworker to tell them something in person rather than send an email. When you take out the trash or pick up the mail, keep going around the block. All those steps add up. 14. Martial arts. Get into shape while you learn how to defend yourself. It helps you focus your attention and may keep your brain sharper than sports like running. And light contact types like karate, judo, and taekwondo are pretty safe, compared with other sports, as long as you train with a qualified instructor. 15. Zombie runs. Do you say you'll only run if something's chasing you? Well, that can be arranged. Zombie courses often have obstacles to get over or creeks to run through and may run on mud-covered trails. And if that's not enough motivation, members of the Living Dead watch from secret locations and jump out to steal your vital organs in the form of flags as you try to finish the race. If you use any of these 15 ways, you will get a tight body, you will feel much better, and you will be much healthier and more optimistic. Do the best you can now. In the next video, we will see what can prevent you from exercising and how you can overcome it. I have already prepared it and I suggest you see it now. If you liked this video, support us by sharing this video, and writing a positive comment. Thanks and see you in the next video. Until then, be careful and have a good time.